Your resume is an important opportunity to make a great first impression. When you're job hunting, you want your resume to stand out from the crowd. It's your time to shine. But how do we do that? Hi, I'm Daisy from Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video, we'll discuss 10 quick, creative resume CV design tips and how-tos. They're a perfect start for giving your resume a catchy, creative edge over the competition. Before we dig in, if you're working on your resume but you're not sure where to start, consider checking out Envato Elements. There are so many professionally designed resume templates over there, perfect for so many different industries. Whether you're looking for something bold and bright or more minimalist and sleek, there's something for everyone. And with unlimited downloads, you can download as many as you want for one low price. Check out the description for more info. Now, let's dig into some resume design tips. Number 1. Put the impressive stuff above the fold. Above the fold refers to the top of your document, generally the first place your viewer is going to look. This isn't a time to be shy about sharing your top skills and experiences. Decorative elements can be a lot of fun, but make sure they're not stealing the emphasis from other content here that could use immediate attention. Number 2. Don't ignore your cover letter. Your cover letter is an important part of your first impression too. Make it match your resume so everything looks even more professional. If the two don't look visually consistent, they might not look related anymore. Think of it this way, your shoes would match your outfit, right? Same applies here. Number 3. Create a personal brand. Present yourself as a professional, even if you aren't hired yet. This means you could push your personal brand with key colors, a logo, and more. Then you can make things like your resume, cover letter, and business card all match. Not only does this look professional on your part, it can be a great portfolio piece too. Number 4. Know when to keep it simple. It's easy to get excited and want to add a ton of bells and whistles to your design, but sometimes less is more. Leave negative space in your design. Think of it like breathing room. Unsure of where to start? Use columns to help organize your work and leave ample space to avoid clutter. Number 5. Resume structure is all important. Structure might not sound like the most creative thing, but it's really important. Think of it like your visual roadmap. We need hierarchy here to help guide the viewer's eyes through our composition in an orderly way. For example, don't lump things together, and use scale to create emphasis. Number 6. Make it personal. This is your resume, so don't be afraid to push in a direction that really makes it your own. You could add a profile photo, a signature, or a statement. Remember, visuals are communicative, so think about what you want your resume to convey on a visual level. Are you looking to create a fun, exciting aesthetic, or maybe something reliable and peaceful? You decide the narrative here. Number 7. Go digital. Print resumes are great, but they're not the only way to deliver your resume. Consider a website or a PDF file in addition to your print plans. You can even do creative things with this, like add a QR code to your business card that takes you directly to your resume website. Think about the best ways for you to share and distribute your resume. Number 8. Emphasize your contact information. Your resume could be the coolest thing on your employer's desk, but if they can't easily find your contact information, that's no good. Make sure that information is clearly visible, easy to read, and doesn't get lost in your layout. It's a great part of your layout to visually emphasize because it's such an essential piece. Number 9. Think about fonts. Typography plays a big role in your resume, so your font choices should be strong. You don't have to stick to the most popular typefaces out there either. Consider choices that best resonate with your professional brand. Make sure body copy is easy to read and legible, especially at smaller sizes, and consider pairing it with an eye-catching display font. Number 10. Balance creativity with professionalism. We all want our resume to be memorable, but it's still important to keep things professional. Think of this like a balance between form and function. Your resume should look good, but it needs to work good too. If it looks awesome, but the information is cluttered or lost, it's not successful. Likewise, if it's boring, then it's forgettable. Find that balance. Looking for more inspiration? Remember to check out the creative resume templates over on Envato Elements. There's plenty to see and download today. Check out the information in the description to take a look right now. So what kind of resume would be perfect for your personal or professional brand? Why not get started on your next resume design today? If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and check out our channel for tutorials, tips, and other fun content. Thanks for watching!